we have a chance, one more chance to say goodbye to 2025. And we say hello to 2026. Instead of staying in the old stuff, we have to move on to the new stuff. Woohoo! Okay, so today we're gonna make gingerbread cookies. See? So what we need is a pair of scissors, a stack of butter, 1 egg, and melted butter. We have a bowl. So now it's time to open this box thing. Wow!
Wow!
This will look yummy, and I believe it will look yummy when it comes out at the end. Okay, now it's time to dump it in here. Now it's time to pour the butter. Let's dump it with the butter. Wow, nice. Now it's time to crack the 1 egg. And there's sticky. Okay, so now we have this mix thing, and now we're gonna mix it. Okay, since I already made the dough, I have the dough right here, and we're gonna make it into gingerbread shapes. If you don't have it, it's okay. So I already sprinkled a little bit of flour so it could be easier for me, even though it will not stick. So I'm gonna use this roller to spread it out. Woohoo! So I have a snowflake, a gingerbread, a snowman, and a Christmas tree. And remember, I have the oven preheated on 350, and I'm gonna leave it there for 10 to 12 minutes. Yay! So now let's start. So I'm gonna spread it out like this. Yay! You have to spread it out like very long, okay? Oopsies.
Wow!
I'll try to not do this part. Okay. Oh, oopsies. I keep messing up. So now I'm gonna start putting these shapes. So first I'm gonna start with the snowflake. So I'm gonna put it in the dough and press really hard. Okay, so guys, let's just leave it like that. It's a perfect one! Voila! So now let's put it in here. Doesn't really look like a snowflake, but yeah, that's good. That has a point. So now I'm gonna pour. So now I'm gonna take more of this flour. So now I'm gonna flatten it. Flatten. So now I'm gonna. Okay, so you know the drill, guys. You have to flatten. Oopsies. So now I'm gonna do the snowman. Okay, so I do realize I have enough space for another one, but whatever.
Okay.
Wow! It's coming out almost in one piece. Wow, wow. Oh yeah. It's a recipe. Wow, perfect. And this time, I'm picking the Christmas tree. Wow! In a one perfect piece. Wow! Bonjour. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is the final result. This is the Christmas tree. This is the snowman. And this one is the snowflake. So it's finally New Year's Eve. So it's our chance to say goodbye 2025. We have lots of memories of 2025. So it's time to move on and go to the new stuff. So welcome 2026. And hi. Happy New Year's Eve and Merry Christmas. So you have to subscribe and like to my channel. Don't know how? Just go to YouTube and search Heavenly Star in the search. And when you see and there's a lot of Heavenly Star videos. So when you see my beautiful face, you can click on the channel or the video to subscribe and like to my channel. Bye guys!